Yeah, I'm not getting swatted. You're a liar. All right, so hold on. Uh, what the fuck? Like, why? 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 He's like, okay. He looks at me and he goes, dude, I gotta ask. Why so many anchovies? He's like, why would you need so many anchovies for this little pizza? So he gives me this fucking bag full of boxes of anchovies. Look, this whole bag is full of this. It's Pescador anchovies, 16 fillets of anchovies in sunflower oil. Uh, country of origin, Morocco. Anchovy, sunflower seed, salt. No wonder they didn't have. You ordered 50 boxes at first and they only sent you 9. No wonder. Why would they have 50 boxes? He's like, I gotta ask, why so many anchovies? He's like, there's no way you're gonna need all those anchovies on this little pizza. There's 16 fillets of anchovies in each box. Like, I don't even know what 16 times 9 is, but that's a lot of fucking fillets. Yeah, from Morocco. God, I wish they had 50. Like, what the fuck? That's a lot of you. I think you now, if someone orders pizza and they want anchovies on it, they ain't getting any. Oh, but anyways, I'm gonna go. What was your response? I didn't. Okay, this is my response. I had no idea what to say, so I was like, uh, well, to be honest, someone ordered this pizza for me. That's all I said. I was like, somebody ordered this pizza for me. So yeah, and he goes, "Oh, okay." He's like, "Cause I knew that there was no way you're gonna have all these anchovies on this little tiny pizza." All right. So I'll be right back. Let me go sort this out. Thank you, KV Man, for the pizza and the anchovies, which I have no idea what I'm gonna do with. I've actually never even had anchovies before, so I guess maybe I'll try them. But seriously, thank you so much for dinner. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Try an anchovy, make us proud. I've never had one. You want me to put them all? I'm dreaming of a white anchovies Christmas. You have 144 anchovies. Do you guys want me to eat an anchovy on stream? I'll probably throw up. All right. Fine. I'll do it. I'll do it. All right. So they're imported. It has to be good. India is a science experiment. All right. So holy shit. All right. So there are 2 servings per box, and there is 860 milligrams of sodium per serving. That is a lot of sodium. It's like almost 1,700 milligrams of sodium for the whole box. It's like a heart attack. This is a heart attack in a box. All right. Here we go. Can you smell it? Okay. Oh, check it out. So it's comes in a box, and it has a little. It's a container. I've never seen this before. Sodium is what the body needs. No, it isn't. I mean, very little amounts, not this much. All right, so I can't smell anything yet. I'm afraid I'm gonna open it. It's gonna smell really bad. I guess we can. Ew, it's juicing. There's like juice everywhere.
must make you proud to see all that Father has
what
done.
the fuck?
All that he has built.
Ugh. Is this raw fish? Is this edible? Is this even edible? Like, for real? Am I gonna get sick? I mean, look at it. Does that look edible? It's like red, it looks bloody. Look at that. Ugh. Corey, yes, it's edible. Just eat it. It looks bloody. Alright. Here, I'm gonna take my headset off because I'm probably gonna have to go. I'm gonna wash my hands because I'm gonna use my hands for this. Oh, that's weird. It's like all hard. Well, it's not hard, but so that this a piece. You guys see it? You can't even see it. All right. I don't recommend it. I literally just bit into fish bones, really tiny fish bones, and
Diagasm.
Corey Howard, thank you so much for the donation. I'll give you a proper thank you in a minute. I'm gonna go wash my hands and put this away. You want a dollar for each one? Do you realize that I would probably die of sodium overdose? I would die of sodium overdose if that were to happen. My mouth is literally full of fucking tiny fish bones. It's full of fish bones. And it was so salty. Literally, just take a teaspoon of salt and put it in your mouth. And that's exactly what it tasted like. I can't even taste it tastes like super over salted fish. With a lot of fucking fish bones. Why would anybody eat this? There's so many fish bones in here. How many left in the package? Well, I ate a tiny bit of one. I technically ate half of one. Guys, there's tiny fish bones stuck in my throat. It's not worth it. For $20, it's not worth it. I can't do it. I probably have a heart attack from too much sodium, for one. Two, I don't want to deal with that many fish bones. There's so many. Like I just had half of one, and there were so many little fish bones in there. I could feel it like stuck in my throat. All right, I'll be right back. Yeah, basically, Gray. I ate salt and bones. $40? No, I can't. There's too. $40 is a lot of money, but that would get me closer to 8. But it's not worth it. There's so much salt in here, and it's all fish bones. There's like tiny little fish bones. Do it. Eat one more. It's gross. I can't. I don't want to. Like honestly, okay, I would eat it if there weren't fish bones in it. But there's so many tiny ass little fish bones that I don't want to bother with it. Supposed to chew them? You just swallow the anchovies? You just swallow it? $50? Can you go a little higher? There are 16 fucking anchovies in here. There are 16 anchovies. And it's salty as fuck. I'm gonna wake up tomorrow and be so puffy. I'm gonna be so swollen. I'm gonna be so swole. Oh, look at the fish bones, dude. Look at that. Look, it's fucking. Look at all the fish bones. Look, I'm literally just grabbing the fish bones. Do you realize how many fish bones I'm gonna be eating? Dude, I just don't know if $60 is worth feeling that shitty though.
You know you want me.
I don't want you fish bones. $65. 65 bucks. I'll be right back. I just went and drained the juice. You guys can see that it's all there. It's all here. There are a lot of fucking fish bones in here. Like I know they're tiny, but look at that. Like that's one of the fish bones. And there's like probably hundreds of these fish bones. There's so many fish bones, it looks hairy. Look. You can't see it. Ugh. Ugh. Looks like poop.
This is a highlight. I gave you $1 tip.
Give me 1 second. I need to go. I'm gonna warm up my real food. Ugh. I haven't eaten like all day, other than like that little leftover I had, and that was so much sodium. Like the salt, there was so much salt. I feel like I'm gonna get sick. I already feel my kidneys and everything are shutting down. You're a good friend. Proud of you. I did that challenge once too. Did you actually do that challenge, the whole thing? The hardest part. Okay, this was the hardest part. Was when I put it in my mouth. I put it in my mouth, and like there's these tiny fish bones. There's fish bones everywhere, and it's like poking your everywhere in your mouth. Is like there's a fish bone poking in every fucking direction. And I'm like, if I swallow this, like there's fish bones. These fish bones are gonna get stuck in my throat. Like I feel like I have to chew these fish bones up a little bit. So I'm sitting there like chewing the fish bones, and the entire time there's so much sodium in it, it was burning my mouth. So I'm like chewing these fish bones, and finally, like it got to the point where I felt like there was like enough, like I chewed up the fish bones enough that I could kind of swallow it. If someone pays me, I will do another one for $100. But that is because no. If someone brings me up to $1,000 on Indigo Viking Reforged, I will do another one. But that is only because there's a possibility that I probably will die. Keep in mind that I may throw up. If I do another one, I will probably throw up.
You suffered more tragedy than any one person deserves. I know that was a very personal moment. I'll give you a quick rundown of the facility. You suffered more tragedy than any one person deserves. I know that was a very personal moment. I'll give you a quick rundown of the facilities division, and then I'll answer any questions you might have afterward. As you might
Happy
guess,
holidays,
we keep the
Cam.
Institute's
Them
mechanical and
anchovies
electrical
ain't
systems
waiting for
running
New
smoothly.
Year's.
We maintain and upgrade all of the systems that make it possible to live and work in a place like this. There's a lot of machinery behind these walls that recycles the air
No.
and provides power to the laboratories and
No.
quarters. The work we do might not be
Shut up. You're giving me anxiety. Corelight. Corelight, why? Corelight, why are you doing this to me? Oh my God, $176.31. Corelight just brought us to $1,000 for our Indigo Viking Reforged. We are now pretty much a third of the way there for our Indigo Viking Reforged goal. Okay, but like I said, I'm probably gonna end up throwing up. There's no way. Here we go, guys. Corelight, my man. Thank you. Thank you so much for the support, man. Seriously, like holy fuck. I did not expect anybody to do that. Like I said that thinking that nobody would do it. So here we go. I'm a man of my word. Corelight, I love you, man. Thank you so much for all your support that you have shown to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Seriously, Slice, I know, man. I have some really amazing people that have really helped to keep the stream alive, and if it wasn't for them, I wouldn't be here. You guys are amazing. I will be right back. I'm probably gonna die. Check my pulse. I have raised pulse. Fish bones.
I will finish what you started.
Why is it still in your mouth? Because there's fucking bones everywhere. I'll be right back. That was the most disgusting thing I have ever done in my life. Do you hear me? That was the most disgusting thing I have ever done in my life. I think I might go throw up again. My day.
I want to get online. I need a computer.
My day. My day is going really good, KV man. How's your day going? Are you having a great margarita night? Wait, did you really throw up? Yes. By the time that hit my stomach, my body was like, that's not staying down there. I don't understand how people, guys, how do people eat anchovies?